Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to search messages in WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to search messages in WhatsApp, guys, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone and open up the chat box of the person on this interface, guys, on which you want to search some message. And after opening your chat box, guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the three-lined icons. Tap on the three-lined icon and you'll be able to find the search option available for you just below the media, links and docs, guys. You can search for any message from over here which you had sent in the past. And with that being said, guys, after searching you will be able to find out the messages are over here. When we type it, guys, you can see all the messages were highlighted of I'm here. And that being said, guys, this is how to search messages in WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.